Everyone, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I had some thoughts about fear and how it plays on your mindset and what fear can do to you. Now, one thing that I came up with is that there are different types of fear that you may have. One type of fear is the fear of failure. And most people have this fear of failure. They are afraid to lose money. They're afraid to lose family members, lose a job, or just plain lose, period, lose in life. That is the biggest fear that most people have. And it can be overcome once you renew your mind. Once you renew your thoughts, renew the things daily that you can do to keep that type of fear away from you. Now, the second type of fear is fear of success. Most people don't realize that they actually have a fear of success. They're so comfortable with the way life is and what they were taught as youngsters. Some have a negative mindset about success because they say more money, more problems, right? But that is a fear that is holding most people back. It's not even the fear of failure. It's the fear of success. They're too comfortable. They're very comfortable and content in their life, content with the things that they have around them. And they don't want to succeed. They're scared to see what the outcome is going to be once they succeed, once they have success. And it doesn't always have to be money. I mean, it could be something that you have accomplished, a goal. And sometimes people can actually self-sabotage themselves. You can self-sabotage yourself without even realizing that you're hurting yourself from fear of success. And a lot like myself, I had that type of fear too, fear of success. And I didn't even realize I had a fear of success. It was just something that was norm to me. It was like I would actually hinder my own self from growing, you know? And that's something to think about, you guys. Something to think about, fear of success. So two things that fear does. You have fear of failure and fear of success. But you can also have a healthy fear. Now, a healthy fear is something that you may have, like when you're out trying to, say you're trying to invest your money into a business. And you're like, oh, you're skeptical. That's a fear. Skepticism is a fear. So you can be skeptical of something. You can be thinking like, oh, I don't know about this company. But you check the numbers. And you can actually save yourself from making a bad decision like that also. You may have a meeting. You may be trying to sell a rental property or anything. And you have this fear that you will fail. And that healthy part of that fear is you may get yourself out of a bad deal. So there are three different types of fear, and that is the fear of failure, fear of success, and you can have a healthy fear. These are just thoughts of mine that I wanted to put out here. Just literally giving you guys some things to think about. So this is very quick, very short. I'm not doing anything with that today. So until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button in the corner for more notifications I'll be bringing you guys. But remember, you can also overcome your fear. You can always overcome your fear. Just take baby steps. Step out on faith, on blind faith, and overcome that fear. I will talk to you guys next time. Y'all be awesome. Bye-bye.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest.